Hello, future engineers, viewers, subscribers, and students. Here is another video in calculus, particularly on finding the equations of tangents and normals. And part of it would be sketching to show the points on the curve and the tangents. So these two problems are taken from the book by Love and Rainville on page 60. These are problems 43 and 44. So for the first problem, make the cubic y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d pass through the points 0, 0, negative 6, 1, negative 2, and be tangent to the line 3x minus y equals 6 at 2, 0. Now there are four unknowns in this problem. The coefficients a, b, c, and d of the cubic, and these four unknowns should be addressed by four conditions. The first two conditions are that the cubic pass through these 2 points, 0, negative 6 and 1, negative 2, and this point 2, 0 is a point of tangency, therefore it also lies on the cubic, and the equation of the tangent 3x minus y equals 6. So that completes the four conditions to solve this problem. So given y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So first, let's substitute 0, negative 6. So negative 6 equals a times 0 cubed plus b times 0 squared plus c times 0 plus d. By the way, the derivative y prime for the slope is 3a, y prime is 3a x squared plus 2bx plus c. So let's substitute the first point, 0, negative 6. So everything here will be 0, so that means y d negative 6 equals d. So d equals negative 6. Then at 1, negative 2, so we have negative 2 equals a times 1 cube plus b times 1 square plus c times 1 plus d, which is negative 6. So let's set up the first equation, a plus b plus c equals 4. And let's call that equation 1. Then for the second point, 1, negative 2, negative 2, we already used that. So 2, 0 next. So 0 equals a times 2 cubed plus b times 2 squared plus c times 2 plus negative 6, which is d. Simplifying, this is 8a plus 4b plus 2c equals 6. Divide everything by 2. So 4a plus 2b plus c equals 3. Again, 4a plus 2b plus c equals 3. That is this equation divided by 2. And transposing this to the left to make it positive 3. Then the next is the slope of the line is also the slope of the tangent at this point. So 3, you just find it by differentiation, although it's obvious 3. 3 minus y prime equals 0. So that means y prime is 3. Substitute into this equation where x is 2. So y prime is 3, then 3 equals 3a times 2 squared plus 2b times 2 plus c. Simplifying, that's 12a plus 4b plus c equals 3. Call that equation 3. Solving equations 1, 2, and 3 using your high-tech calculator, we obtain the following. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is 7. Therefore, the cubic is 1x cubed, so x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 6. And let us sketch it, the graph, the points, and the tangent as shown in this figure here. So this is the cubic y equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 6. These are the points 0, comma, negative 6, 1, comma, negative 2, and 2, comma, 0, point of tangent C, where the tangent has the equation y equals 3x minus 6. So that's it for that problem. Let's proceed to the problem 44. Make the cubic y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d be tangent to the line y equals 12x plus 3 at negative 1, comma 1, and have a horizontal tangent at the point 1, comma 5. Again, there are four unknowns. These are points on the cubic, so that means there are two conditions here. There is a tangent at this point, another condition, third condition, and the horizontal tangent at 1, comma 5. That means y prime is 0 at 1, comma 5. That completes the four conditions in order to solve this problem. So 44, y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, and y prime is 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. So first, at the point negative 1, comma 1. So 1 equals a times negative 1 cubed plus b times negative 1 squared plus c times negative 1 plus d. Simplifying, negative a plus b minus c plus d equals 1. And let's call that equation 1. Then we have to substitute here. Y prime is 12. The slope of the tangent at negative 1, comma 1 is 12. So 12 equals 3a times negative 1 squared plus 2b times negative 1 plus c. So simplifying, that's 3a minus 2b plus c equals 12. Call that equation 2. Then we have to consider next slope of tangent 0 at 1, comma 5. So x is 1, y prime is 0. So 0 equals 3a times 1 squared plus 2b times 1 plus c. Simplifying, that's 3a plus 2b plus c equals 0. Call that equation 3. Then lastly, 1, comma 5 is also a point on the cubic. So substitute 5 equals a times 1 cubed plus b times 1 squared plus c times 1 plus d. And simplifying, that's a plus b plus c plus d equals 5. Next, we can solve for b if we subtract equation 3 from equation 2. That is, equation 2 minus equation 3 will have negative 4b equals 12 minus 0, so 12. So that means b is negative 3. Having found b is negative 3, let's substitute it into equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes negative a minus c plus d equals 4. Call that equation 1a. Equation 2, if we substitute b equals negative 3, 3a plus c, this is positive 6. So 12 minus 6, 6. So 3a plus c equals 6. And of course, if you substitute b is negative 3 in equation 3, we will arrive at the same equation. So we do not do that. But at equation 4, if we substitute b is negative 3, then it becomes a plus c plus d equals 8. And we will call that equation 4a. Solving equations 1a, 2a, and 4a simultaneously, we obtain a is 2, c is 0, and d is 6. Therefore, the cubic is y equals 2x cubed plus negative 3x squared plus d, which is 6, because c is 0. So this is the cubic, and let us show Let's sketch the graph and let's label the points and the tangents as shown. So we have the points negative 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, and at this point negative 1 comma 1, the tangent represented by the blue line is 12x, y equals 12x plus 13 is tangent to that point. This is the red curve is the cubic, y equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6, and we have a horizontal tangent at 1 comma 5. So that's it for this video.